All right. Now we're going to do, that's a package deal right there, yes? All right. Did our young lady do, okay. All right, you ready? How about 6279? 6279. We got some orders from the cut shop. 6279. What are you out there? Has anybody got it? 6279. Yes or no? 6279. Oh, that's him right there in front. You're writing the calendar or picture? Deal. All right, grab the picture. I can see everybody reading the calendar things there, like, come on. 6843, are you out there, yes or no? 6843, going once. Hey, keep your tickets, everybody. We'll be back here in 2 and 2. What show was that where they used to do that? We're back in 2 and 2. Does anybody know where Miller's Ale is? Is that down here? Yeah? Is that you again? How much stuff can you win, young lady? You got me ready. Uh-oh, I knew you'd be showing off. $100 gift certificate. Have you been eating wings? Just let you know that. $61.89. $61.89. Oh boy. Are you? It's not you? Hi. Of course. Now we got one for the Quaker Steak and Lube barbecue sauce. We got a T-shirt. I put 6311. Hang on, we're gonna look one more time. I've got from Florida Grind. Illinois for racers and rods. Jim, you did a great job putting this on.
Well, we're all here for Elvis, so.
415. Are you serious? Elvis, you're like spawning luck on everybody over there. 7415. Uh-oh. You better check that pin twice. That's it. We have a winner. with all the sound of the
There's red, there's white,
Oh, shit, there's red, white, and purple.
and
He don't know, there's a whole bunch of colors. Making midget jokes over there. Here we go. All right. How about this one, girls? 6, 2, 4, 1. You guys might as well just go home. You have no luck tonight. 6, 7. Everybody got 7, last 4 numbers. You know what? I think we ought to donate one to the girls one this time, wouldn't you? Wow. That is from Elvis's son. He donated all the Miller's Ale gift cards. Thank you. All right, here we go. Sorry, girls, it's a high number.